Hey, what up guys? Welcome to the man cave. Today we're in our new house. So for those that don't know, we moved. We're now living in Amsterdam. This is my man cave. So first off, as you can see, I have this amazing lamp right here. That space over there is all good. It's nice. What I want though is like a maximum of 3 sneaker boxes on top of each other. So that side, that's perfect. But this over here, look at this. Look at this. This is way too much. Those are my Diodoras, my Yeezys and stuff like that. So I need another one so I could put it right on top of this one. And then I could put a lot more sneakers over there. Because as you can see, I have way too much room. I need to buy more sneakers. I was thinking of doing something with lights instead of this tiny light over there. I want to do something with strips, with LED strips. That would be pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah. That thing over there, that's my ball. One of my balls. I need to use it though. Let's just do this big thing. Hey guys, this is a lamp. So let's just do this big thing over here first, which is kind of reflective, but not good enough. All right, here we go. Part number 1. Swimming pants and stuff, short trousers, pants over there, jackets and buttoned up shirts. I have a lot more. I just don't have enough hangers. So I need to buy more. Those are sweatpants, joggers. Then I got some hoodies over here. These are just the gray ones. And then over here we got the colored ones. But Stranger Things should be over there, but it's over there. You can still see what's what. Then over here, I got a drawer of all my caps. No cap. And then over here, I got like vests, hoodie with everything with a zipper basically. As a sweater or a hoodie. And then all the way in the bottom, I got some bags. You gotta get the bag. Yeah, we all want the bag. And then these are just trousers and jeans and my business shoes. So these are just like proper shoes, which you can wear underneath a suit. Something like that. And then over here, these are clothes. Wintery sweaters. I have this extra storage over there for all of my winter caps and scarves and stuff like that. Sweaters made out of wool. Over there, and then that again, like sweatshirts, except for this one. These are not that colorful. These are just basically gray and black ones. That one should be here because these are all colorful. This is, I don't know, you just have to have a breeze, right? Just to be sure. And a bathrobe, which I don't really use. This was just, I don't know, this was empty and it was like a, oh, let me grab this. Oh, let me grab that. Oh, let me put it over there. So this is, yeah, still have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Then over there we got t-shirts, but long shirts. So they have long sleeves. Over here we actually got some more winter stuff. And bandanas and stuff like that for, well, these actually were for Burning Man. I used them at Burning Man. And then some scarves, which I found somewhere else and I put them here. So I might grab those and put them over here. Then over here we got workout stuff. It's just my workout t-shirts and that's it. Workout t-shirts and these for boxing. This is the part which I am pretty proud of. Look. Fancy drawers. These are my t-shirts. Got white ones, gray ones, colored blue ones, colored with pinky ones, black ones, and dark blue ones. All of the t-shirts that which we love. And then over here, this is what I'm even more proud of. My sock drawer. I have a lot of socks. Still missing a couple over there. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, I haven't worn this yet. Oh, okay, Wu-Tang. Okay. A lot of this. And then boxers. That's over there. And all the way in the bottom, on the bottom, those are onesies. I don't really wear them that often anymore, so I threw a lot of them away. Well, not threw them away, I gave them away. And those are my Burning Man clothes. Hey, would you look at this? You're not supposed to be here, Mr. Screwdriver. I used you, but you gotta go back. You gotta get the hell up out of here. Oh yeah, nearly completely forgot the most important part. Got some sort of like jacket system. That's this Burning Man jacket. This one is just sick. Bought it in Vegas, Urban Outfitters, and bought this one in Japan. So jackets, stuff like that. Then all sorts of sport inwear, like jerseys. Actually, these are all, yeah, they're pretty, all of them are jerseys. This is the one I'm most proud of. Made this in New York myself at the Nike town. A bunch of music, concert t-shirts, stuff like that. Gorillaz, Juicy J over here. Taylor Gang. Also got Fleetwood Mac. I got a bunch of stuff. Then we got polos. I mean, you have to have some polos, right? And short sleeve buttoned up t-shirts over here. As you can see, this is not really finished. Those sneakers shouldn't be there. They have to be on another shelf. So I actually have to buy 3 more. One for over here, one for over there, and one for over there, and then another one, but I'll show you that later where that needs to go. Let's just roll this to the side. I don't have boxes for all of these. Those are my workout sneakers. Then this over here, I love, but I'm gonna sell. That Call of Duty came with my PlayStation, but I already had it. A couple of games that I don't play and my arcade stick, which was for an Xbox 360, but I don't have the 360 anymore, and I have a new arcade stick which works on everything anyway. So I'm gonna sell all of this. Some flip-flops. As you can see, if this is gone, then it's gonna be so much, it's gonna look so much better. Now, okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Right over there is like a Burning Man bag. If I travel, I'll use that one. Then my old laptop, which I still use. Then we get to the cool stuff. Look at this, this is dope. These are like just action figures and stuff, but I don't really need them where you can see them. It's just basically for me. I mean, I can just open this and then I see these bad boys and I'll be like, oh yeah, look at those gangsters. Then over here is my travel bag, some CDs. Well, as you can see, I'm a huge 3.6 fan. So yeah, not throwing these away. Definitely not. Yeah, not much to say about this. Bags. Then over here is my bad boy. This is, my wife made this. This is the Masha planner. I think this looks dope. And I love this. Look at this. Look at how dope. Over here, some black t-shirts over here. And red and gray. And then this is the drawer with white t-shirts. Then over here, oh yeah, socks. I have to find the other 4. Some other stuff. Like half socks and sporting socks / wintry socks. Just my little jewelry box. I don't have expensive watches or anything like that. I mean, I like some expensive watches, but I love this though. Sneaker freaker. And I love bracelet. What I want to build over here is like, I need one of those again. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, because I want to keep this. I have my computer, my big ass computer with screen over here. My mixing panel. I want to connect all 3 of them together on like a standing desk over here, so I can just play around with it. And then when I get thirsty, I'll just grab something out of the fridge. I need to buy some new lamps for that. That thing is amazing. Then welcome to the man cave. What happens here stays here, unless I put it on YouTube. Then we got my man Iron Man over there. Look at that bad boy. You can change colors though. I mean, I don't know why he's blue, because Iron Man is red and gold. There we go. That's Iron Man for you. As you know, I keep it real. This is cluttery. But when it's done, it's done. Don't mind the extension cord over here. That's for this lamp. I don't care. I'm just gonna show you like how it is. This is all like background stuff actually, which I use for my videos and which I love. You might have seen those 3 in my last video. Mario Snorlax is showing his ass. He's shaking it up. Go twerk, Snorlax. Twerk. Work. Then I got that amazing light, and this is all of the clothes which I still need hangers for. And this is also actually the couch people sleep on if they're sleeping over here, because it can turn into a bed. Magic. Every man should smell good. If you have a wife or a girlfriend, you should know what cologne she likes the best. So I absolutely know which one she loves and which one she hates. This is my collection of colognes, of eau de toilette. Take a good look at it. I smell good, always. I don't always smell good. No, I definitely don't. Nobody can always smell good. But I try to stay fresh, yeah, with sneakers and with my smell. I don't want to bother you with my nasty odor, so this is what I use. My Nintendo DS, I use this actually only when I'm traveling, but love it. Yeah, some electrical stuff. Extra laces. Oh, yeah, I just got this. I love comics, as you might know. Looks like a lot of glasses, but mostly of them are empty, but I use them when I travel. Stickers. Office stuff. This is basically some random, well, not all of them. This is random stuff that I found. I don't know why these are here, but yeah. You need this. Look at this Hype Beast version. It's the kith version. Hype Beast confirmed. And what do we got over here? Some cool stuff. Belts, ties and stuff like that. Bow ties. Oh, and these are the ties, so those are just bow ties. Who knows where this is from? If you know, then you're cool. And more electric kind of stuff. So yeah, there you have it. Let me know what you think of my man cave. I love it. If you have some cool ideas, just let me know, because I might do it. I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do with some parts. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, everything, because, okay, bye.